All right, hi everyone. Welcome to the Job Search Initiation Meeting virtual option for MSIT students. All right, the first thing I need from you is an opportunity for you to log in and sign in electronically. So I have record of your attendance, and I also have record of your intention to engage in a summer practicum experience. So if you could please visit the link on your screen. I recommend maybe pausing this page, typing in the link in your screen, and completing the sign-in sheet so that I have record of your intention to search for a summer position. All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to have a chance to walk through some of the basic eligibility procedures, talk about PAL, handshake, talk about an active job search process, forms of communication that you will receive, accepting and registering for a practicum, as well as what will occur on the actual practicum term itself. All right, so PAL 3.0 is the current platform that the Division of Experience-Based Learning and Career Education utilizes at the University of Cincinnati to facilitate employment opportunities for you at the practicum level. So what you should be able to do is log into this site using your username, which is your UC6+2 and your UC password. And after you have completed your sign-in sheet that I showed previously, I will have you activated for a job search, and you'll be able to begin looking at employment options within the PAL database. So PAL, in terms of expectations, from this point moving forward, I expect you to log into PAL, upload your most up-to-date technical resume in PDF form, and once this resume is uploaded, you'll begin to be able to view and rank various positions within our database. Please note that we have over 400 positions available for IT students. So it will take some significant time for you to kind of mine through the database and find positions that you are most interested in. When you find a position that you would like to apply for, it is a very simple process. You view the position and you click the radio button that indicates very interested. And then once you have completed your rankings, you click on a button on your screen that indicates finalize. So it's a two-step process, but very simple. I promise. You indicate very interested and you finalize your rankings. If at any point you have concerns or issues related to PAL, we have a full-time support team that is here to assist you, and it is you can contact them at palhelp@uc.edu. All right, so resume review. Remember just some of the key components that came out of your PD 7010 course. Technical skills important. If it's your first time employment within industry and you don't have industry experience yet, make sure to add some type of technical project you've worked in your classes or perhaps outside your classes on your own. Indicate your availability. So for instance, seeking a summer practicum in 2020 would be May 4 to August 14th. And then try to upload your resume, your most up-to-date technical resume as soon as possible, and we'll begin the referral process for you, which means I will send your resume to the various positions you've ranked as very interested beginning on February 10th at 8 a.m. All right, so let's go over your to-do list in PAL. Again, just remembering, upload your resume, PDF form. I recommend your file name something like last name, first name, IT resume. Begin viewing ranking positions, finalize your rankings, and my suggestion is to have about 75 rankings completed as very interested by your first deadline, and your first deadline again is February 10th, 2020. All right, referral dates are indicated here. The first referral being February 10th, and then about a month afterwards, on March 9th, is your second subsequent referral. I will send your resume to employer partners on a monthly basis following this schedule. So I recommend noting this schedule in your calendar somewhere, somewhere that you can reference on a regular basis, because the job search process takes time. And you need to be able to continue applying to positions throughout the duration of this spring term. So we will be following this schedule indicated here. All right, so remembering, what is a practicum? A practicum consists of work related to your academic program, and the position can be full-time or part-time, so our requirement does not necessarily matter. Position is compensated in some way with a competitive wage or stipend. Employment is typically about 13 weeks minimum in duration, possibly 16 weeks if it comprises the entire semester. You are supervised and you will be formally evaluated. Okay, so let's talk about active searching and some of your requirements here. So in terms of active searching, it's important to engage in all of these activities. So utilizing PAL and Handshake, university resources that we introduced to you in your professional development course, these are essential in terms of connecting you with employment opportunities. Networking and engagement in the career fair setting is also important. This is something that you will be expected to participate in this semester. And active networking through sources such as LinkedIn, for instance, or even friends or colleagues of yours that work within industry is also important to be engaging in. Additionally, applying to open positions and utilizing resources such as Career Shift or Career One Stop. If you remember, these sites were highlighted within PD 7010. All right, application tips, just some recommendations for you. Have a specific resume, so your technical resume that is formatted in a way that most appropriately aligns with the position you're applying for. For positions that request cover letters, whenever that is requested, I recommend uploading a cover letter and having a specific cover letter for your role. Keep track of your applications in some way or form that makes sense to you. It could be in an Excel document, for instance. And then keep track of all your contacts that you make associated with the various postings you may see. Follow up, remember to answer any emails, and have some type of follow-up email, typically within a week or so of meeting with a company or engaging with a company that's considering you for employment. And then also have just a recommendation, a customized voice message set up. So something like, "Hi, you've reached Eric Allenson. Please leave your name and number and I'll return your call as soon as possible." Customized voicemail is important just so that employers will know they've reached you specifically, and they aren't concerned about potentially dialing a wrong number. All right, so this will conclude part one of our job search initiation meeting. I will pause here and I'll begin with a second video that will begin discussing UC Handshake and some of our connection resources at UC.